we bought this support. This is a plastic support that is intended to have the Starlink antenna inside the car through the windshield or through a rooftop. Let's see how it works. So easy to install, just this small equipment. I think it's useful if you can use the antenna inside the car, because you don't have to be getting the antenna from the rooftop inside and back when you park somewhere and you don't want nobody to get your antenna. So I want to test this way of using it to see if it works and I can use my antenna inside the car instead of outside, okay? Let's see. So you just install these suction cups in the end of each side. These suction cups will go to the windshield, like you can see here in my desk how it will work. It's really strong. And you install the antenna. It's a little dirty because we've been using it outside, okay? And you just get rid of this standing accessory and the antenna goes just like that. You have the antenna now ready to install in the windshield, or if you have a sunroof, that's maybe the best place to install it. So I'm going to test it in a road trip to San Diego, and I will tell you how it works. As you can see, we installed the Starlink antenna in the front windshield, as this car has no sunroof. And we have this kind of signal strength. Here we have a more clear sky. Let's try the test again. As you can see, the down speed, it's rather fast again, up to more than 200 megabits per second. But the down speed is still low. I think it's because the antenna is not exactly facing up, but in an angle. So I wonder, maybe if I had a sunroof, the result would be better. Now I am here in an open space, as you can see. It's kind of the country in the road. And we are going to do the new speed test. Okay, it looks better than the other two ones in the city. The down speed, it's, well, about the same, right? 200. The up speed, it's a little bit better, up from 20, 25 to 30. Okay, not exactly 13. Okay, now we are going to do it again, but driving, okay? Okay, we're going to test it at 100 kilometers per hour, okay? And you see speeds change. They're not even at 100 in down speed. And the up speed, it's kind of the same, 23. Okay, let's do it again. So it keeps testing under 100. Remember, my antenna is not facing upwards, it's facing like in an angle because it's in the windshield. Okay, this test is running better. We are now in this mountain location. As you can see, we are between the mountains. Let's see the signal. Okay, it's not that bad. Still over 150 in down speed. I think down speed is quite great everywhere. Up speed is not that great, but I think that if you are going to use an antenna like this, well, maybe most of the time you are going to be consuming content, and I think this speed is great for that. So also here between the mountains we get a nice result. This is our last test here in the desert. Now doing 140 kilometers per hour, and look at that stats. So I think you really get a great service from these mini mobile Starlink antennas. So if you are thinking about getting a satellite internet antenna, if you need this kind of service because of your work or just because for leisure for your family, if you travel a lot, these Starlink Mini antennas are really a great option. Thank you very much.